Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, October 14th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. So it is Columbus Day. Bond markets closed, banks closed. Our volume's been horrible as it is normally, so I do not expect some good volume at all. Hopefully we get some range. We'll see. I will take range over volume any day. What we do have so far this morning, though, is an all-time high in both ES and SPY in the overnight. NQ, monthly high in the overnight. Don't forget, look at September's monthly high. That was in an overnight also. More importantly, this will be day 4 of attempting to get over 517.50, which is the weekly balance. So, balance rules will be in effect this morning. People will be screaming gap rules are in effect possibly. There's still 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. So we'll see if we do gap. If it is going to be a quiet day, especially if value's higher, be careful. Don't short a dull market. If they're going to just want to grind today. There's really nothing out this morning or throughout the day. I mean, there's a ton of Fed speakers, which I totally ignore, except when Powell speaks. So we'll see if it is a type of day that they try to grind higher. Any acceptance, though, back inside of value from Friday, and you'll probably go trade at the 9-wide POC, and ES is a 15-wide overnight. NQ is only 9-wide overnight. Don't forget, we had double distribution days on Friday. So even though the volume's been poor and everything, the market is being firmly controlled by the bulls. The S&P is up in all 3 time frames. Again, early game plan. You could possibly short the overnight high if you open near it. If you don't open near it, then I would look the opposite if we start going towards them to take a long to get it, and vice versa if we went down and gave this all back and attempted to test the overnight lows. Okay, those are all early plays. Chart-wise, just going to show you the daily. Friday's volume again, just 42.2 million in SPY, but we broke out of an inside day to the upside. They're actually one time framing up 4 days. Now, one other thing I failed to mention, I'll show you on the chart, is triple Qs and NQ. Inside day. You go with it and monitor for continuation or lack of. So if we do break out to the upside, we'll see if we do, right? For 3 days, 2-3 days in a row, what did we do? We got close to a balance high. Now today we'll see if we stretch it and or go through it and don't turn back. So very important with NQ this morning and triple Qs to see if they come out of the inside day and hold it whichever way they come out. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.